Thank you for joining me today for the video how to export commands from Dragon Medical. Open command browser. So you can just say the command open command browser, or you can actually go and click on command center and then you open up command browser from there. So I clicked on tools. So every version is different, but you should find them in your tools. So once we have the commands that you want to export, for example, I will select user defined. So you can use the shift and arrow button or page up, page down, or it can do the opposite, or it can uh, go all the way to the top and select everything. So Control A doesn't work, but as you see here, now still didn't select it everything. So we'll just use the shift and arrow down button, and once I'm ready, I'll do a right click and I'll do export. So you have to select XML file, not a DAT file, and you name it however you want. You can do it on your desktop. Let's do it on my desktop. So I named it command exports. And I save it. As you can see here, it's right here. So once you have the file, you can email it to us and we will import it in Dragon Medical One. Now you can also go to the vocabulary center and you will choose export words of phrases. So this is your custom words, and we'll do word. And this should be a text file. So you just do a text file, desktop. Once you have both of those files, so attach it to an email and send it to us, and we will be able to import it into your Dragon Medical or Professional Legal, any Dragon Cloud system. Thank you for watching me today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.